Hey guys, Annie Stacy here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how to use sea moss to maximize hair growth and promote overall healthy hair. So of course, to make this treatment, I'm gonna be using some raw sea moss. So sea moss is also known as Irish moss. It's a type of seaweed or algae that is widely recognized for its health and wellness benefits. It is considered to be one of the healthiest seaweeds and can provide a range of health benefits due to the number of vitamins and minerals it contains. It contains about 92 minerals of the 102 minerals that our body is made up of, thus its numerous benefits. It contains vitamins A, C, E, K, B2, B12, calcium, magnesium, zinc, iron, potassium, chromium, omega-3, omega-6, amino acids, folate, proteins, and so many more that we cannot exhaust in this video today. So I'm just gonna use a small amount of it because this is gonna swell up and I don't want to make a large batch. So I want to transfer that into a bowl and just wash it up. You just want to wash it just to make sure it's clean. Now I just went ahead and transferred that into my measuring cup again, added some water to cover it up, and then I'm just gonna seal that and let it sit for about 12 hours or more than 12 hours. Just let it sit for a couple of hours and then it's good to go. After letting them soak for about 12 to 24 hours, the sea moss looks like it's doubled in size or even tripled in size, and now it's soft and ready to be used. So I'm just going to go ahead and transfer that or just strain out the water. Of course, we can also use the sea moss water as a spray for our hair. You don't want to throw that away. So I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer that into my blender, and we're gonna blend until it is smooth. So I went ahead and added about 2 cups of water. I didn't show everything yet, but I did add 2 cups of water to blend this because I really like my consistency to be like watery, not too thick. So yeah, I added 2 cups of water to that and just blended it, and this is what I have. And I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer that into my mason jars. So this was enough for these 2 jars. So that's how you prepare your sea moss, and you can keep this in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. So you can use this on your hair, and it can also be consumed with your smoothies and however you like to ingest it. So yeah, it's not just only to be applied topically on the hair, you can also eat this. So that's why you want to make sure that the preparation process is very neat, and even the storage process is neat and well preserved. So this is what I got. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how I make the mask. But first, this is the water that we took. It's a little bit slimy, and yeah, you can use that on your hair. And straight away, I'm gonna be making a hair mask, a sea moss hair mask that I'm gonna apply on my hair. So first off, you wanna go ahead and pour in some of that sea moss that you stored. And yeah, that's how it looks. And I'm just gonna go ahead and place that in a pot of hot water and just do the double boiling method so that it can like dissolve and be smoother if it wasn't at first. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add one of my favorite deep conditioners into that and just mix everything together. So you don't have to add a deep conditioner or anything like that, but that's what I was feeling like today, and that's what I did. Just want to mix all of that together, make sure it's smooth. if you have a whisk, this will be easier to just mix everything properly. And then I went ahead to add my lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil can speed up hair growth, and also I added some peppermint essential oil, which is also said to increase the number of hair follicles, thus hair density, and also promotes hair growth. So then I'm just gonna mix everything together, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my hair growth oil. I made this oil on my channel, you wanna check that out. So this is rosemary hair growth oil, which I'm gonna leave the link below. So you want to just thoroughly mix everything together, and then it's ready to be applied on the hair. So you want to work in sections. My hair has just been washed, and yeah, I'm just gonna apply that to clean hair. You want to make sure you apply this mask to a clean hair so that you can enjoy all the benefits. You don't want to apply this rich mask on maybe dirty hair with pores all clogged and whatnot. So yeah, I'm applying this to clean hair, and as you can see, it's already defining my curls. It makes the detangling process easy, so it really helps to soften and detangle your hair while nourishing your hair. So when I'm done with one section, I'm just gonna twist that and set it apart and continue with the next section. So you wanna apply this to the roots of your hair, to the tips. So from the roots to the tip, your scalp and everything, make sure that you massage it in properly, and and also detangle your hair in this process. Sea moss gel will leave your hair and scalp completely nourished. It moisturizes the hair and scalp and helps with dandruff, itchy and inflamed scalp. It also helps to strengthen, condition and leave your hair feeling more manageable. And like I said, it defines your curls. So that's the entire process, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, and also turn on the post notification so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. And let me know in the comment section which videos you want to see next and how you're gonna use this mask on your hair. And if you use it, please come back and let us know how you enjoyed it, or what are your thoughts on this mask. And so thank you guys again, and this is the end of the video. I just want to say a big thank you for all those who made it this far. I know sometimes it's hard to really stick around until the end of the video, but if you made it this far, I'm so grateful, and thank you guys for your continuous support. And I make videos every week, so make sure you're subscribed so that you can be up to date with my videos. And if you're on Instagram, please follow me at Fragile Curls to see behind the scenes and every other thing I do with my hair. Thank you, and bye-bye.